Welcome to this section of box model. So what is box model in CSS? Well, the box model is one of the core concepts in web design and web development. It encompasses everything that makes up a design, from headers, footers, and main content areas to margins, patterns, and borders. So everything on a web page is a box. Everything on a web page is a box. Take note about this. So looking at this one, anything on this page is being regarded as a box. So let me remove the background color and this one for now. And let's maintain the red background over the red color over there. So anything you see on the page, whether it is H1, images, anything is being regarded as a box. That's a key point you need to take note here. And each box has its own properties that can be styled with CSS. You see where we are heading towards. Now, every element on a web page is being described as a box, and this box has properties. The CSS box model is a model for describing the boxes that make up a web page. One property is what we call width. The width of the element. Here, you see that the width from where? From left to right is the width of my element. How the width of a particular element. Taking this box, for example, this box has a width, right? So let's look at this box. See that this box, you can see that the width of this box is from here to here. The next one is what we call the height. So from here to here is a width. The height of my box is this one. The height of my box. So this is what you call height. And apart from height, we also have what is called padding. Where for the padding, difficult to explain to you within this box. And then the last one, what we call the margin. Assuming that we have many boxes, the margin is a space between two elements to the nearest one is the margin. We would dive in more to take these ones, the height, the margin, and padding into consideration. So, by understanding these properties and how they work together, you can create complex design with ease. Each box has its own properties that can be styled, so that's what we are going to talk about. But before we end up this video, let me show you that every element is a box that has all these properties, meaning that any element on a page is a box, meaning they have all these properties called margin, padding, and then height and width. So let me show you with using the dev tool. So right click on any page and then click on style. If we see this time around, we have down here, and this is what you call the box model. So any element that we click on, so let me select this one and click on the H1. You see that when I click on, I have this beautiful box model here, meaning that this particular element is made up with this box. We see that this box has a margin, as we talk about, has a border, has padding, and has a width, and in height. You see that so every element has this box model or box properties. So in this video, let's start with the width and height properties of any element on the page.